Welcome back everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I will show you how to disable notifications in the Maxthon browser on mobile. If constant pop-ups and alerts are distracting you, this quick guide will help you. First, open the Maxthon browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots menu. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. Then, in the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy and Security to open Privacy Controls. Inside this section, look for the Notifications option in the list of settings. Finally, turn off notifications by toggling the switch, and your Maxthon browser will no longer send notification alerts on your mobile device. By following these instructions, you can easily disable notifications in Maxthon on mobile and reduce interruptions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.